Quad Lock is the lightest, strongest, and most secure smartphone bike mount. It provides easy access to your smartphone and is perfect for road cycling, mountain biking, and daily commuting. The Quad Lock bike kit is supplied with everything needed to mount your smartphone on your bike stem or handlebars. Our patented dual-stage lock allows you to securely attach and detach your smartphone in seconds. Quad Lock is perfect for tracking your fitness, navigating your ride, and taking quick photos on the go. The Quad Lock mount is super strong and will hold your smartphone securely over even the roughest terrain. Our optional slip-on cover called the Poncho provides extra protection from the elements. Quad Lock makes for a great everyday case. With its slim profile, it's easily pocketable. The Quad Lock case will keep your smartphone safe thanks to its impact-resistant edge-to-edge protection and microfiber lining. With already 1 million customers and thousands of 5-star reviews, Quad Lock is the world's best solution. Quad Lock, smartphone mounting for an active lifestyle. Buy now from quadlockcase.com.